মই তোমাক চুপ থাকিবলৈ কৈছিলো। I told you to keep quiet. I told you to keep quiet. মোৰ ঘৰলৈ মনত পৰিছে। I am feeling homesick. I am feeling homesick. এইটো মোৰ কাৰণে বাওঁ হাতৰ খেল হয়। It's a child's play for me. It's a child's play for me. মই তোমাক 2 ঘণ্টাৰ পৰা ফোন লগাই আছো। কিন্তু ফোনটো লগা নাই, মই তোমাক 2 ঘণ্টাৰ পৰা ফোন লগাই আছো। I have been ringing you up for 2 hours. I have been ringing you up for 2 hours. ওচৰলৈ নাহিবা। Don't come closer. Don't come closer. অলপো ওচৰলৈ নাহিবা। Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer. ক্ষমা কৰিবা, মোৰ অলপ বেলেগ কাম আছে। Sorry, I have something else on. Sorry, I have something else on. বেলেগ এদিনা। Some other day. Some other day. হে ভগৱান, মই ভয় খাই গৈছিলো। Oh God, I got frightened. Oh God, I got frightened. মই মোৰ ভুল অনুভৱ কৰিছো। I am feeling guilty. I am feeling guilty. কোনেও মোক ধ্যান দিয়া নাই। No one is noticing me. No one is noticing me. মোৰ লগত এনেকৈ কথা নেপাতিবা। Don't talk to me this way. Don't talk to me this way. তুমি বহুত ডাঙৰ ভুল কৰিছা। You are making a big mistake. You are making a big mistake. সেইটো মোৰ চিট হয় য'ত আপুনি বহি আছে। That's my seat you are sitting on. That's my seat you are sitting on. ভূত-চোত বোলা বস্তু একো নাথাকে। There is no such things as ghosts. There is no such things as ghosts. তুমি সেইদিনা কিয় নাহিলা? Why didn't you come that day? Why didn't you come that day? তুমি কেইটা বজালৈকে শুবা? What time would you sleep till? What time would you sleep till? মই আগতে জানো। I know already. I know already. আপুনি ইয়াৰ ওচৰৰে নেকি? Are you from around here? Are you from around here? সি কেতিয়া ঘূৰি আহিব? When will he be back? When will he be back? সি 30 মিনিটত আহি যাব। He will be back in 30 minutes. He will be back in 30 minutes. আপোনাৰ অফিচটো কিমান দূৰত হয়? How far is your office? How far is your office? প্ৰায় 20 কিলোমিটাৰ। About 25 kilometers. About 25 kilometers. তুমি কি কৰা? What do you do? What do you do? মই পঢ়ি আছো, মানে মই একো নকৰো, মই বৰ্তমান পঢ়ি আছো। I'm a student. I'm a student. আপুনি ইয়াত কেই বছৰৰ পৰা আছে? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? প্ৰায় 3 বছৰৰ পৰা। About 3 years. About 3 years. ক'ত বিষাইছে? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? ইয়াত বিষাইছে। It hurts here. It hurts here. আমি দুয়োজন একেটা শ্ৰেণীৰে আছিলো। We were in same class. We were in same class. মোৰ ওচৰত মাত্ৰ 600 টকা আছে। I have only 600 rupees. I have only 600 rupees. তোমাৰ লগত কোন আছিলে? Who was with you? Who was with you? তুমি কাৰ লগত আছিলা? Who were you with? Who were you with? মই কাইলৈ যাম. I will go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. সকলো মিলাই কিমান হ'ল? How much altogether? How much altogether? তোমাৰ মনত আছেনে? Do you remember? Do you remember? শুনিলানে তুমি? Did you hear? Did you hear? তুমি শুনিলানে মই কি ক'লো? Did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said? মই বেলেগ কিবা ভাবি আছিলো. I was thinking of something else. I was thinking of something else. আজি মই দেৰিলৈকে শুই থাকিলো. Today I overslept. Today I overslept. মোক কোনেও কিয় উঠাই নিদিলা? Why didn't anybody wake me up? Why didn't anybody wake me up?